The 2025 Toyota FJ45 pickup truck carries forward its iconic heritage with a modern twist, featuring a bold and rugged exterior that stays true to its classic roots. The square body design, signature round LED headlights, and aggressive front grille combine for a vintage yet contemporary look. Large all-terrain tires, high ground clearance, and matte black detailing around the fenders and bumpers add to its off-road ready personality. The flatbed design is practical, with reinforced panels ensuring durability for heavy-duty use. Its overall stance is tough and commanding, making it ideal for both city streets and wild terrains. Equipped with a heavy-duty suspension system, the FJ45 handles off-road adventures and urban commutes with equal confidence. The front features an independent double wishbone setup, while the rear uses sturdy leaf springs. This suspension combination provides the perfect balance of comfort and durability, soaking up bumps and uneven roads effortlessly. The wide tires offer excellent grip, and the robust chassis ensures stable handling even at higher speeds and in rough conditions. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ45 pickup is powered by a turbocharged V6 engine that delivers strong torque and horsepower, making towing and climbing steep hills effortless. The 6-speed automatic transmission provides smooth shifts and efficient power delivery, while maintaining impressive fuel economy. Acceleration is steady, and its overall performance remains reliable across varied terrains. Inside the cabin, the FJ45 offers a blend of ruggedness and practicality. The dashboard features a simple, functional layout with a touchscreen infotainment system and essential control buttons within easy reach. Seat colors include dark gray and black options, paired with tough fabric upholstery built to withstand wear and tear. The spacious interior prioritizes comfort and usability, making it a perfect choice for work or adventure.